Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this reverse trend on CapCut. So I'm just going to sort of go to the place where the beat drops. Unfortunately, I can't play the music, but hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Click on the video and press split. Delete the rest of the video. Press on the first video and then select copy. And then on the second video, I'm just going to hit the reverse button. Just gonna wait for it to load. And this is basically the final result. This trend is super simple to do. So I'm just going to play it. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!